Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to change your phone number in the Indeed app on your mobile device. If you recently got a new number or want to update your contact information, this video will guide you through. First, open the Indeed app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the profile icon. Then, at the top right of your screen, you'll see three horizontal lines. Tap on them to open the menu. After that, select Settings from the menu. Once you're inside the settings page, choose Account Settings. Next, tap on Change Phone Number to begin updating your contact information. Then enter your new phone number in the provided field. After entering your number, click on Verify. Indeed will send a verification code to your new phone number. Copy the verification code from your messages and enter it into the app. Finally, click on Submit to complete the update process. Once submitted, your phone number will be updated successfully in your Indeed account, and you will continue to receive notifications without any interruptions. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.